Welcome to these next 5 minutes, just for you. Stay here, and by the end, you'll carry calm with you. Find a comfortable seat or gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the body soften and settle. Now imagine a soft wave far out at sea, slowly building, cresting, and gliding toward the shore. With each inhale, sense it rising, gathering power. With each exhale, feel it gently recede, carrying away tension. Watch its calm, rhythmic flow. With every inhale, breathe ease into that wave. With every exhale, release stress back into the sea. Notice how your mind grows quieter as the wave holds it all. Bring awareness to the top of your head. Soften your forehead. Release your jaw. Let shoulders drop. Arms, hands, chest, belly, hips, legs, feet, grounded, supported, at ease. Return to that single wave. See it now reaching your feet, washing over you, bringing calm, then sliding back, leaving you refreshed, present. Carry this image, this steady ocean wave, as a reminder that you can pause and recenter anytime you need. Thank you for these moments of presence. I'm Jay. Be kind. See you next time.